Let's see how to install XAMPP server on Windows machine. You can download XAMPP server. You can download XAMPP server from Apache Friends website. Okay, here in downloads you can download latest XAMPP server for Windows here. Okay, here there are Windows version, Linux and OS X version. Okay, let's see. I'll downloaded XAMPP server and let's see how to install XAMPP server. Okay, in my downloads softwares, I have XAMPP server, XAMPP installer, and you can open XAMPP server here as general software installing procedure and with bit fix changes, few changes you have to do. Okay, here you have to do few things. You have to disconnect your virus guard actually for some moment, if not it gives some error messages. So I used Avast, then Avast I can disable Avast for ten minutes. Now you can run this installation. Okay, messages, then you can click next. Yes, you don't want to Tomcat and make a server to run PHP, then you can quickly run the installation. So click next. You can select D, separate directory, and then click next. Then you can click next. Now it is going to be extract the files and install the. Yes, it is installing is finished, and now they ask whether you want to start the control panel now. Yes, and now you can see control panel of XAMPP server. It will start soon. Yes, now this is the control panel of XAMPP server, and you need to start Apache and MySQL to run PHP applications. Let's see whether we can start PHP Apache server. Yes, unexpectedly shut down. So we need to configure this. That's why I mentioned earlier we need some configuration, and let's do that configuration and come. You need to open your XAMPP installed folder, D XAMPP, and here you can see Apache folder. Then there you can open conf folder, then httpd conf file. Here you need to change the port number. Let's see 80. You can see 80, port 80. and you need to change it. Let's change 8080. Then save file and close. And extra, you can see http ssl conf and open it and find 80. And here let's see, it is 443. You can change it to 8081, 8081, then save. And now let's go and run your file, the start Apache. Yes, now it's working without any error. Well, now PHP and MySQL working well. To confirm that, you can go to localhost. You can go and check localhost 8080, and this is the Apache home page. That is, you install the XAMPP server successfully, and you can see PHP myadmin also, PHP myadmin, and it is also work perfectly. So now you have successfully installed the XAMPP server. Now you can work with PHP and MySQL. You have installed it properly, and thank you for